Hey guys, what's up? So in the last class, I introduced you to array. Now in this class, we will solve one problem on array. So the problem is very easy. We have to find the sum of array elements. We have to find the sum of array elements. For example, this is my array and the values are 3, 4 and 5. So my answer should be 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is 12. Okay, so we have to find the sum of array elements. So the problem is very easy. So what we will do, first of all, we will take input. So how to take input? First I will ask the user how many number of elements. So say in how many number of elements are there in the array. So say in n. Then what I will do, I will make an array of size n to store n values. And now we will take n values as input. So I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus, C in a of I. Now with the help of this, I will be able to take n values as input. Okay, so what it will do, it will make an array of size n. First index is 0 and last index is n minus 1. And this variable I is iterating from position number 0 till position number n minus 1, and each time it is filling the values. We are taking input from the user and will fill the values. Now we have to find sum. So for finding sum, what we will do, now we have our array ready. For example, the elements are 3, 4, 1 and 2. So what we will do, we will again iterate over the array. And when we are doing iteration over the array, we will add the values. What we will do, we will take a variable sum. Sum will initially be 0. We will add sum equals sum plus a of I. So we will add 3 here, then we will add 4, then we will add 1, then we will add 2. And finally, when this loop will terminate, I will see out sum. So that is all that we have to do. So let's write the code. So let us name this file as array sum, or let's call it sum of array. Sum of array dot cpp. Now what we have to do, first of all, I will ask the user that how many number of elements are there. So enter the number of elements. Now let us make a variable n and let us take input. So there are n number of elements. Now let us make an array of size n. Now what we will do, we will take input. So let us take input. So for int I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus, I will take input. So now at this point of time, my array is ready. Now I have to just find sum. So initially I will take a variable sum, which will initially be 0. Otherwise it will contain garbage value and our answer will be wrong. Now what I will do, I will iterate over the array again. So for iterate again over the array. And what we have to do, we have to add the current value to the sum. So sum plus equals to a of I. Now that is all that we have to do. Finally, we will print sum. Okay, so this is all that we have to do to find the sum of array elements. So let us test our program. So enter the number of elements. Let's say the number of elements are 3 and the elements are 1, 2, 3. So my sum is 6 and these are array elements. Okay. Okay, so let us do one more thing. Before finding the sum, let us print the value of array. Let us print array elements. So for int I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus, cout a of I. So we are printing array elements before finding the sum. Okay. So this is for printing. Now let us test our program. So let's say the number of elements are 5 and the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so this is printing. So we are printing here, you can see. So this is printing and this is the sum of the array 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, so the logic is very simple. So if you have any doubt, feel free to ask. Thank you.